In this video, I want to show you how to connect your bank account to QuickBooks now that the layout has changed both for QuickBooks as well as for the banking screen. This is the dashboard to my QuickBooks. What I want to do is go to my banking screen. The left-hand menu is really not as it was, and so this took me just a minute to figure out. But I want to go to My Apps, and then in the pop-out menu, I want to go up to Accounting, and then over and down, I want to go to Bank Transactions. So let me go ahead and do that. Right now it's displaying my savings account. Let me just show you how to connect, and I'm going to use my credit card as the example. So I'm going to go to the right and select Link Account. I use Bank of America, and I can see Bank of America right there. Let's pretend that I couldn't. If I'm looking for something, I can just search it. It's so much faster than clicking more and scrolling endlessly. When I find the bank that I want, I can select its name. I'll sign in to my bank. So I've entered my username and my password. I got my two-factor code, and now I'm just going to consent to share my data. I'm prompted with this screen that says, which accounts do you want to connect? In real life, I want to connect them both. But I know from experience, when I log into my Bank of America account, 9723 is where all my charges are, and 9640 is just where the payments are. Instead of making my life harder, I'm only going to connect the one where the charges are, and then when I make the payment out of my bank account, I'll just tell QuickBooks to put that payment towards 9723. So I'm going to click this drop down and then select Bank of America Visa. I previously had my Visa connected, it got disconnected, and now I just need to reconnect it. It got disconnected about 5 minutes before the video started, so I'll have it start connecting as of today. And then I'll select Connect. It says, all set, you're connected and ready to go. Let's see if that's true. All right, there's nothing here, nothing pending, because I classified all my pending banking before I started the video. I made the video because I know what it's like when the screen changes and things don't feel familiar. So this is just a repeat of something you might have already seen me do, just with a different layout, so that if you do feel overwhelmed or frustrated, you can see it in action. Okay, if you need help with your QuickBooks, you can find me at gentlefrog.com. We offer bookkeeping service, one-time fix your QuickBooks projects, as well as training. Okay, thanks. Bye.